Gold hits 4-week highs as U.S. inflation report shocks markets. Inflation is anywhere, and gold bulls are lapping it up. U.S. gold futures hit 4-week peaks on Friday as shares on Wall Street took their worst beating in 3 weeks after the latest analyzing on U.S. inflation confirmed 41-year highs that counseled the Federal Reserve could get extra aggressive with price hikes. Gold is supposed to be a hedge in opposition to inflation, and it normally rallies while investors turn out to be worried about a discount inside the shopping strength of the dollar. But it's no longer a really perfect correlation, as gold has also damaged down various times this year while inflation information came in higher. Further confounding the hedging idea, gold and the dollar have also rallied together on various activities this 12 months as inflation worries propped up bullion charges while the dollar rose on expectations of Fed charge hikes. That turned into the situation on Friday. The U.S. Consumer Price Index grew through 8.6% all through the year to May, expanding by using its fastest price given that 1981, as the value of without a doubt everything, from food to gasoline, shelter and clothing, rose once more closing month, the Labor Department stated. The common pump rate of fuel, particularly, hit greater than $5 a gallon on Thursday for the primary time ever in the United States, according to records from fuel fee monitoring service GasBuddy. Separately, the University of Michigan stated its closely followed U.S. Consumer Sentiment Index hit a record low in its present-day survey for June as Americans emerge as increasingly disappointed with inflation taking a bigger chunk of their paychecks each month. Reacting to the numerous inflation information, front-month gold futures for August on New York's COMEX rallied to just shy of $1,880 an Oz by using 1 p.m. Eastern Time, 1700 Greenwich Mean Time, displaying an advantage of just about $25 or 1.3% on the day. For the week, the benchmark gold futures agreement was also up 1.3%. The dollar index, which pits the greenback against 6 other important currencies, hit a 3-week high of 104.23. U.S. bond yields, led by way of returns at the 10-year Treasury note, hit a 1-month high of 3.17%. The preliminary shock of a scorching warm inflation report dispatched gold charges to fresh consultation lows as buyers speedy bumped up Fed price hike expectancies for the September assembly, said Ed Moya, analyst at online buying and selling platform OANDA. Then the 5-year and 30-year Treasury yields inverted and growth issues prompted some safe haven flows for gold.